Here comes Santa Claus.
Was it good? Yeah. Well, hello. How are you? How are you? I don't want to. This is awesome. You do want toys from them, don't you?
Merry Christmas! They're always so out.
Santa on a fire truck. How awesome. There's lots of kids waiting. Get the whole shot.
Merry Christmas! You go back to mine, wait for that. Hi, Logan. You know what I mean? Get your door. You want to see Santa, you got to go back in line with the rest of the family. You gotta have one. Oh, adorable. Big boy. Good boy, too. All right. Who's next? Welcome. Thank you for coming out. Hi, what's your name?
Ash,
How do you do?
what? Are we going? Look at me.
You want a candy cane?
Oh,
Candy cane?
cutest man.
You're welcome. What's your Thanks. Hey, don't forget a candy cane. Here you go. Hey, what are you? I like it.
Excuse me.
Turn around. Let's do another picture.
Shooting live video onto the chamber page.
Don't worry.
Didn't want to get anybody's way.
It's fine. Next one! Santa! With you. Hi! What's your name? Oh, yeah. Hope? Oh my gosh, he's big! Say hi! Santa Barbara. He did, didn't he? He's like that.
Look at me,
Yay!
I'll get a candy cane. Honey cane right up. Who's up? You're next. Who's up to see Santa? You're gonna get on his lap next, right?
No.
Oh, come on, I want a picture of that.
You need one, Mr. Flynn?
Of course, what? Candy cane.
You're welcome.
Uh-oh. Santa lost his head.
Milo, tell her what you want. What do you want for Christmas? You want a piano? And what does baby want? A baby piano.
Baby piano.
I did get a good one. Thank you, Santa.
Good reviews. Are you still live feeding?
It's just so colorful, and all these kids, and this is gonna, yeah. Oh, Santa lost his hat.
Look at all these candy canes. There's one. And how about one for you? Did you get one? No. Vince, you didn't get one. You're welcome.
Little one want one or is it little?
Well, that's okay.
Well, yeah, of course. How are you? Good. See ya. See ya.
A nice little way to put out.
Nice guys.
All right.
It sounds like a long list, actually. It sounds like a long list. Sounds like a long list.
I know. I don't live in town anymore.
Got lots of kids waiting to see Santa.
So, all right. Well,
That's a Swiss.